What up everybody? It's your girl Artie, back with another video. I'm so pumped to have you here with me today. You know I love helping you be the best, most confident version of yourself, right? We're all about that glow-up journey together. And guess what? Today we're talking about how to stand out in public, in a good way. No more hiding in the shadows. No more blending into the wallpaper for us. We're stepping into the spotlight. We're serving looks, confidence, and brains, okay? It's all about that full package. Because you deserve to be seen and heard, boo. Your voice matters, and it's time to let it shine. We're diving deep into 5 high-performing, super effective tips that'll have you owning every room you walk into. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Trust me, these tips are like the cheat codes to becoming that effortlessly cool person everyone wants to talk to. You'll be the star of the show. But hold up. Don't even think about skipping to the next video because I've got a surprise challenge for you at the end. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna help you put these tips into action right away. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good challenge? It's all about pushing ourselves. So buckle up, grab your notebooks or your phones, no judgment, and let's get this show on the road. We're in this together, and it's going to be amazing. All right, first up, mastering the fine art of active listening. This skill is not just about hearing words, it's about truly understanding the message behind them. Look, we've all been there. You're dying to jump in with your own story, but hold your horses. Resist the urge to interrupt. People can smell a mile away when you're just waiting for your turn to talk. It's like a sixth sense everyone has. Instead, focus on what the other person is saying. Like, really focus. Absorb their words and the emotions behind them. Put your phone down, make eye contact, the works. These small actions show that you value the conversation. And for the love of all that is good, please nod your head every now and then. It's a simple gesture that goes a long way. It shows you're actually alive and engaged in the conversation. Your body language speaks volumes. Plus, sprinkle in some thoughtful questions. This shows that you're not just passively listening, but actively engaging. Trust me, people love talking about themselves, so asking engaging questions is like giving them a gift. It makes them feel valued. It's the gift of feeling heard. You're welcome. Remember Beyoncé's advice, listen, it's golden. Seriously though, active listening is like this superpower that instantly makes you more interesting and intelligent. It's a rare quality. It shows you care about what others have to say, and that, my friends, is a game changer. It builds trust and rapport. People are drawn to good listeners like moths to a flame, so get ready to be the brightest flame in the room. Your social interactions will never be the same. Okay, let's get real for a sec. Nobody remembers the person who parrots the same old tired opinions, right? It's the unique voices that leave a lasting impression. To truly stand out, you gotta bring something fresh to the table, something that makes people sit up and take notice. And I'm not talking about a charcuterie board, though those are delicious. I mean, who doesn't love a good spread? I'm talking about your unique perspective, the way you see the world that no one else does. See, the world is full of fascinating stuff. And if you're not curious, you're missing out. There's so much to learn and explore. Read books outside your comfort zone, dive into documentaries, and explore new topics. Listen to podcasts that make you think, challenge your mind, and expand your horizons. The more you know, the more interesting you become. You'll have a wealth of knowledge to share. Seriously, knowledge is power, people. It gives you the confidence to speak up. And when you do share your thoughts, own it. Speak with authority and passion. Speak with conviction, even if it's a little different from what everyone else is saying. That's what makes it special. Remember, the world needs your unique voice. Don't be afraid to share it. So go out there and be the breath of fresh air that everyone craves. Be the one who brings new ideas to the table. Trust me, people are drawn to originality like bees to honey. They can't resist it. So go be the sweetest, most thought-provoking bee in the hive. Make your mark and let your voice be heard. Chapter 3. Use confident body language. Okay, here's the surprise. I challenge you to a 24-hour standout experiment. Use at least 3 of these tips in the next 24 hours. Whether it's active listening, confident body language, or giving a compliment. And share your experience in the comments. Let's see how many lives you can impact by simply being your best self. That's it for today's video. I can't wait to hear about your 24-hour challenge results. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're made to stand out. See you next time.